hit you with a simple citation that I give, but no! You gotta be, you just couldn't shut your mouth. Where are you going anyway? Where do you work? Where?
What starts as a routine traffic stop quickly escalates into a chaotic confrontation, showcasing a police officer's overreach in a way that leaves you questioning authority. North Carolina General Statute 14-298 states, law enforcement officers are exempt from certain traffic laws in the performance of their duties, but this exemption doesn't justify the officer's aggressive tailing of a tractor trailer or his unhinged reaction when another driver, Joseph, passes and flips him off. The situation deteriorates as the officer shifts from enforcing the law to berating Joseph for speeding, despite admitting he was pacing traffic himself. His fixation on Joseph's license plate and speed, 60 in a 40 zone, seems less about public safety and more about personal vendetta, especially when he snaps, "If you hadn't done that, you ran on a stupid stunt. I deal with the other driver right now." This isn't law enforcement. It's a power trip fueled by ego, not duty.
Hey,
Can I just ask you why you're riding their butt like that and speeding, man?
I'm running his license plate because everybody else is speeding. Why are you speeding?
I was only going 60.
Speed limit's 40.
To 50.
The signs.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Do
All right.
yourself a favor. Oh, give me the weed, too.
No, I have a...
Yeah,
I have a medical marijuana card.
Step out.
I have a card.
Step out.
All right, stop, man.
You want to run your mouth? No problem. You came to the right guy. Step out.
All right, stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Hands, please. Front back. Anything sharp?
No, sir.
Where's the marijuana?
I have it in my car, but I have
Where's
a
the
weed
card?
card. I have a weed card.
6 feet apart. Right now you're just being detained. You're not under arrest.
All right.
Seems you have a very hostile attitude.
No, I really don't.
See, the blue car
Yeah, which one?
was tailing me.
Yeah.
While I was pacing a tractor trailer looking for a motor vehicle violation because the
Okay.
governor's office has gotten multiple complaints on traffic stops.
I know.
Okay?
I know that.
So we're out doing our thing.
Okay.
He decides to pass me and flip me off.
All right, Spino, I'm sorry, dude.
All right?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So what do you think you are worried about what I'm doing?
Okay. You're right.
I know I'm right, goddammit! Get the fuck down! Everyone's got something to fucking say! Mind your own goddamn business! You're from speeding! How would I start with that?
You're right, Spino. Listen, I'm sorry.
No shit! I was following that kid for a reason, and if you hadn't done that stupid stunt, I'd be with him right now. But no! You just couldn't leave it alone, could you? You had to be a fucking American. God help you if there's anything illegal in this car. Is it in the original dispensary container? What?
It's roach.
Is it in the original dispensary container?
No.
Then you're... How's that sound? No shit. Mind your own business next time.
Just call me a lesson.
Yeah, it's called shut the fuck up. I was driving along, I was going to hit you with a simple citation that I give, but no. You got to be... You just couldn't shut your mouth. Where are you going anyway? Where do you work? Where?
It's called American Pulp.
What's that?
It's
Paper?
Yeah, you know, like the liquor bottles and stuff that the shit comes in, like the trays. I promise you, I only have weed in the car. Honest to goodness. And it's all right here in my glove box right here.
You ever heard of what a heat seeker is?
No.
A heat seeker is something that draws attention to itself. Heat-seeking missiles, they go for the heat. Sit back down. Did I tell you to move? Why am I speeding? I'm doing my fucking job. Connecticut General Statute 14-298 allows law enforcement officers to disregard the traffic laws in the performance of their duties. How the fuck am I going to catch a speeder if I'm not speeding? You late for your job at NASA with physics?
You're right, man.
The officer's obsession with control peaks when he zeroes in on Joseph's marijuana, turning a minor traffic issue into a full-blown interrogation. Under North Carolina law, Possession of marijuana in its original dispensary container can be legal for medical use, yet the officer demands, is it in the original dispensary container, with a tone that suggests he's itching for a fight rather than a resolution. When Joseph pushes back, the cop erupts, yelling, revealing a thin-skinned enforcer who can't handle defiance. The mention of liquor bottles and stuff and a bizarre rant about heat seekers only muddies the waters further, showing a man unraveling under the pressure of his own authority. This isn't about upholding the law, it's about punishing anyone who dares to question him.
Where do you want this so it doesn't get trashed?
That's my advice.
I can tell.
I'm gonna put it in jail.
I don't want to get ruined. Unfucking believable. It just never fucking ends in this fucking job. I got 14 months. I can't even wait to be done. This ought to tell you why our department, instead of having 1,300, has 850 right now. There's a fucking clue to the public. What a bunch of assholes you are. Right there. You want it on paper or not?
No,
Is it in the original dispensary container? No shit. Turn around. Everything across you make You think I'm kidding? You think I'm fucking kidding? Look at me. Do I look like I'm happy with you right now? Shut your fucking mouth, mind your own business, and be on your way. Don't you ever fuck with me again.
Hey, can you be safe?
By the end, the officer's frustration with his job and the public boils over, painting a picture of a man teetering on the edge of sanity. He justifies his actions with, I have money to catch the speeder if I'm not speeding, leaning again on that General Statute 14-298 exemption. But his tirade, I got 14 months, I can't wait to be done, exposes a deeper resentment that's driving his behavior. He's not just enforcing traffic laws, he's venting years of pent-up anger on Joseph, calling the public a bunch of and mocking Joseph's job with a sarcastic, you late for your job at NASA. The applause-like sound in the background, perhaps from bystanders or his own warped pride, only amplifies the absurdity. This is a cop who's lost the plot, turning a simple citation into a profanity-laced meltdown that proves sometimes the real danger isn't the speeder, but the one behind the badge. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.